गुड इवनिंग फ्रेंड्स। मैं सुनील दत्त आपके सामने आज 9th क्लास के एक टॉपिक के साथ जो है मोल कंसेप्ट। मोल कंसेप्ट। मोल इज a chemist counting unit. Chemist counting unit. Mole is introduced by the Wilhelm Ostwald in 1896 and it is improved in 1967. Now I will explain the mole concept clearly. Just we take one example. Hydrogen is combined with oxygen and H2O is formed. This is water. Now balance the chemical equation. Here 2 oxygen and here 1 oxygen is there, that's why we multiply by 2, and here 2 oxygen are there and 2 2s are 4, hydrogens are 4, we just multiply by 2 this hydrogen. It means they are two molecules of hydrogen, combined with one molecule of oxygen, and two molecule of water is formed. This is the first method, and in second we just find the molecular mass of hydrogen and oxygen and combine them. Hydrogen, here mass, atomic number of hydrogen is 1 and there are 2 hydrogens, multiply by 2 and 2 molecules are there, then that's why we multiply by 2 again, plus oxygen, atomic mass of oxygen is 16 and there are 2 atoms of oxygen, that's why multiply by 2. We get 4 plus 32 is equal to 36U. This is the atomic mass of water. 36U. You can write this in gram atomic mass, that is 36 gram. Mole concept says that 36 gram is equal to 1 mole. 36 gram is equal to 1 mole. And these two molecules also equal to 1 mole, and these two molecules also equal to 1 mole, and these two atoms are also equal to 1 mole. This is the mole concept. Every element or every compound, mass of every element or mass of every compound is equal to 1 mole. Let's find the mass of another compound. For example, we have H2SO4, that is sulfuric acid. Atomic number of hydrogen is this and mass number of hydrogen is also 1 because hydrogen do not have any neutrons. Multiply by 2 plus atomic number of sulfur is 16, multiply by 2, 16, mass number of oxygen is 16 and multiply by 4, 64, 32 and plus 2 is equal to 98U. 98U, and you can say that 98 gram is equal to 1 mole. So this is mole concept. हम किसी भी कंपाउंड का मोलिकुलर मास फाइंड आउट करेंगे तो उसका जो मोलिकुलर मास होगा वो उसके 1 मोल के इक्वल रहता है। अब इस पर बेस्ड हम कुछ न्यूमेरिकल्स को सोल्व करेंगे। उससे पहले एक क्विक रिवीजन हम ले लेते हैं। तो मोल इज द केमिस्ट काउंटिंग यूनिट। जो केमिस्ट होते हैं, जो दवा वगैरह का काम करते हैं, उनके लिए ये यूनिट यूज की जाती है। इसको डिस्कवर किया था सबसे पहले विलियम ओस्वाल्ड ने 1896 में, जो अप्रूव हुआ था 1967 में। मोल कंसेप्ट जो है वो खुलकर के सामने 1967 में हमारे सामने आया था। उसके बाद मैंने आपको मोल कंसेप्ट क्लियर करने की कोशिश की। यहाँ पर अपने पास हाइड्रोजन और ऑक्सीजन कंबाइन होकर के वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स बनाते हैं। यहाँ 2 मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ hydrogen combine with 1 molecule of oxygen and form 2 molecules of water. It means 3 molecules are there and 2 molecules are made up. So there is difference, but in mole there is no difference in between these two concepts or these two atoms and molecules, etc. Hydrogen also have 1 mole, oxygen O2 also have 1 mole, and 2H2O have also 1 mole. So water molecules also have 1 mole. Now we solve some problems based on the mole concept. First is find the number of moles in 52 grams of helium. In 52 grams of helium. Helium. Symbol of helium is He and given is 52 gram. We just find the molecular mass of helium. Molecular mass is denoted by A, and helium have mass 4 gram. It means 4 gram of helium is equal to 1 mole, and 1 gram of helium atom is equal to 1 divided by 4, and 52 gram of helium atom is equal to 1 divided by 4 into 52. 4 1 is 4 and 13 4 is 52. It means 13 moles are there in 52 grams of helium atom. 52 grams of helium atom have 13 moles. 13 number of moles. After that, next question is find the number of atoms, find the number of moles in 12.044 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms of sodium. Okay, now we find how many atoms are there. 1 mole of sodium have atoms 6. Now I explain the Avogadro number. Before solving this question, I want to explain Avogadro number. Amedeo Avogadro was the famous scientist who gave the Avogadro number, and that is equal to 1 mole. 1 mole of any element or a compound is equal to Avogadro number, and Avogadro number is denoted by N naught, and that is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. In 1 mole of any element or compound have 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms, or you can say that particles. After that, now we solve numericals based on the Avogadro number. problem is question number 1. Find the number of atoms in 46 gram of sodium. 46 gram of sodium. Find the number of atoms in 46 gram of sodium. We just find the molecular mass of sodium. Sodium have molecular mass is 23. It means 23 gram is equal to 1 mole, and 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 into 10 raised to power 23. So 23 gram of sodium is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms. 1 gram of sodium is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 divided by 23. Now we find the number of atoms in 46 gram of sodium, then is equal to multiply by 46, 23 1 and 23 2 are 46, and we get the answer, that is 12.044 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms. This is the numerical which is based on the mole concept. We take more examples of finding the mole concept. Next example is find the molecular mass of, or you can say that mole concept or number of atoms present in 12 gram of, or 16 gram of, 12 gram of, maybe some. Now we find the molecular mass or mole concept, Avogadro number. According to Avogadro number, mole concept 16 gram of oxygen. 16 gram of oxygen. Now find the molecular mass of oxygen, O2. 16 into 2 is equal to 32 gram. 32 gram of oxygen has atoms is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. 1 gram of oxygen atom have molecules or atoms divided by 32, and 16 के लिए हम find out करेंगे. Now we find the number of atoms in 16 gram of oxygen. 16 1 is 16, 16 2 is 32, and this is 3011, and your answer is 3.011 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms are there in the 16 gram of oxygen. That's it. This is the mole concept discovered by the Avogadro. That's it. Let's bind up this class. Goodbye.